Welcome back to Angry Admin channel. I'm glad to see you all. I am the Angry Admin from angrysysubs.com. This is the part 3 of our scripting video, and what we are trying to do is to automate changing booting process for ESXi from BIOS to UEFI. In the video number 1, we create a function which actually change the BIOS settings. In part 2, we create function which is optional for checking port 443 and wait until that port is available before proceeding with a next phase. As you remember, the script has 3 phases because of dependencies in the BIOS. We cannot switch everything on one go. As a reminder, I show you we need to switch a boot mode, change from BIOS to UEFI, TPM security to be on, secure boot enabled, TPM algorithm change to SHA-256, and last, Intel TXT has to be on. Due to dependencies, we cannot set up again in one go with the 3 phases and the 3 reboots. In the second video also, we set up some script to receive credentials and the list of iDRACs. Okay, now let's build the phase 1. So as you can see, we're still on the same script, and now we are preparing for the phase 1. Okay, and this is just 3 attributes we can set up on this stage. So now what we are going to do is we may have list of IPs, and again, this is the only way, as you can see over here, to pass the list. Like, I have 2 IPs, so it's not a big deal, but if I have 1,000 IPs, I could read from the file that list. So let's do the loop. Okay, so this is for each loop. So as you can see, that is going for each IP in the list, and for each of those IP it updates settings, which is the function which we wrote in the very first video. Over here it does all the settings for particular IP, reads credentials, reads the settings, and performing. Now once this phase is in motion, now we need to wait for port 443 to become available. Before we need to chasing phase 2. Yeah, that sounds correct. So what we're going to do, we just post some message for the user, for yourself, so you know it does working. Okay, now there's another thing which I did, because again, when I first tried that script, it worked. However, the port 443 become available before the host was up. So I did that. So this means that system will stop the scripts for 90 seconds. How many minutes is 90 seconds? Put down below in the description. I will wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 900 seconds is 15 minutes. So why 15 minutes? Because taking from experience, depends on the server, it might take up to 10-11 minutes. So this extra few minutes just in case. Otherwise, your script will fail. So, and that's why I said that checking the port 443 was optional, because what you can do, you can just stop the scripts over here, wait 15 seconds, 15 minutes, and then proceed with the script. But for the learning, for the programming perspective, I put that function to wait for it. Okay, let's finish this. Okay, now let's prepare phase 2. This is the phase 2. Again, phase 2, only one attribute, TPM2 algorithm, changed to SHA-256. But again, that requires reboot. So what now? Now we just need to copy that loop. Because again, that has to be changed for every IP in our list. And we change to phase 2. Over here. Okay. Now, very easy, because we need to initiate the waiting time. So, again, let's copy that part. And just not to confuse yourself, just change the phase name. And now the phase number 3. And a loop again. So just copy the loop. I put the phase 3. And that's it, guys. There's no more waiting time. That's the whole script. It will change all the settings required, and we perform 3 reboots. So make sure you have a maintenance window scheduled. Of course, I didn't put here the maintenance mode, so you need to add a logic that it put the host in the maintenance mode, evacuate the VMs, etc. This is just purely to show you how the BIOS change works. And if we run the script, so just give you a few moments. And once we run the script, I will not bother you looking on the empty screen, but the results of it looks like this, and job done. Now, just to be aware that once you switch to UEFI, you need to enable secure boot and TPM on the ESXi host itself, but this is the subject for next video. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with your fellow admins. Don't forget to subscribe for more angry admin solutions. Drop your questions or experience in the comment below, and I see you in the next video. Stay unangry, my friends. Bye.